afternoon here. Ijabole, Eastern Central. Ward 2. We're already here. Pastor Sagete Yamu, Comrade Adasali Oshomole. They're all here already. A very beautiful afternoon to you, people you're watching from Cable TV, live and direct.
Everybody wait here. If you know say na pastor you go vote for on the 19th of September, raise your hand and shout. If you know say you go take your PVC, take start Obaseki on the 19th of September, raise your hand and shout. Say Obaseki go. Okay, our national leader and former chairman is here, Comrade Adams Ali Oshomole. Una not welcome am. Osho Achiwa. And then also here is the man that wrote the simple agenda. Pastor Osagie Izo-Iyamu, the incoming governor of Edo State, is also here. Before he speaks, let me give the mic to Tiger. So, say,
APC Uwesoye Monday Okparolo aka Akakomiza APC Izayamu for governor. Vote for Izayamu is vote for Uwesa. Vote for Izayamu is vote for development in Uwesa. Last time, this is what we all agree, that we are going to vote 100% for Izayamu. Do we vote 100% for Izayamu? This time, we are going to vote 200% for you. Bulu, Madam Amata Okwe, because means a lot to me. I see Pastor Izayamu as senior brother. So if Pastor Izayamu is my senior brother, the development will come to Uwesa. That is the reason why we are here. That is the reason why Pastor Izayamu have to come here by himself and from Comrade Adams Oshomole. Barrio Bulu. APC.
APC. Una wan hear about simple agenda. Una wan hear about simple agenda. Make I give the man wey write am. Pastor Osagie Izo-Iyamu. POI. APC. Uwesa oye. Our women oye. Our youths oye. Our elders oye. Oshomole oye. I want to thank una well the way una come receive us this afternoon. E dey very clear say from una heart una really support us. Na God go bless una. I say na God go bless una. everything wey Obaseki suppose to do for una for the past 4 years wey he no gree do, by the grace of God, Pastor Eze-Iyamu go do am. This election na very simple one. Obaseki na governor already. Pastor wan be governor. So man wey be governor wey say he wan continue, the question be say wetin you do for us? If you fit show the things wey you do for us, we fit say make you continue, make pastor go rest. So I wan ask una, wetin Godwin Obaseki do for una? So all these road wey I see no be in town. Who tell the road? Eh? No. How about schools? You do schools for una? Where Oshomole stop? I don't know, say school reach. Now make una dey praise am just now. Oshomole, well done. But for me, I tell you now, I don't want to keep una too much. Make I show una. I be say my brother, Akpakobiza, Monday Okpe will talk to una just now, na my brother. I'm not going to feel disappointed una. I say I'm not going to feel disappointed una. I'm not going to fail una. As God do and say, I told Pastor Oshomole, na so I go also do work wey he talk Pastor. Now, thank you. You know, if you remove Obaseki because you don't do well, if you ask yourself, say, what is the Eze-Iyamu want to do? We don't want to remove one bad person, go put another bad person. Let me assure you, unlike Obaseki wey you no fit tell me na wetin you wan do. I go use am take I thank God for your people wey dey use their own money do wetin government wan do. When we live here now, one commission one borehole wey one of our friends do. Na government suppose to provide una water. Na government suppose to provide good hospital. Na government suppose to give employment. But government dey sleep. But by the grace of God, una go get governor wey go do wetin una want. So that simple agenda na security, providing security in our place, to make our farmland, to make our road, to make our place safe. Because if e not safe, people no go fit come do business here. The other one na infrastructural development, doing more roads, doing water, bringing lights, bringing hospital. All those ones are part of infrastructural development. The next one na manpower development, education. Una know say if una wan make una children better pass una must carry dem go school. Unfortunately, all the place wey we dey go, no teacher. I don't know whether e affect the school wey dey for this side. Which kind of education una get wey teacher no dey? Without teacher na education how we get? The man no gree employ teacher for the past 4 years. But by the grace of God, we go employ teachers. We go build more school. They talk about say na where Oshomole stop. Oshomole try well for education. But those red roof, we must continue with them. We must make school attractive to our children. We go do all those ones in Jesus' name. Another one are public-private partnership. Government helping to bring work. Government helping farmers. If you see Kebbi, the governor help the people. President Buhari say hunger too dey the land. He say he wan make dem give money to small farmers. Make Central Bank give the money, but dem do am through states. Kebbi go collect money. Today, Kebbi dey supply rice to Nigeria. But una know say before na bring for Nigeria. When they say Ekpoma, right, they don't know say no be only Ekpoma the rice dey. Rice dey all over Isa. Abakaleke Ebonyi state dey collect the money. Obaseki he wan also collect the money. He come say he want the names of farmers. Farmers dey for here. Raise una hand make I see una. Thank God. No, thank God for that. I don't know whether I collect any of una names for here. Collect una name. Make I tell you what you make your name do. He collect una name. With that name, he go Central Bank. He say see list of farmers who will get for Edo. More than come give us the money to. They give am 5.6 billion. Make it share to farmers for Edo. I don't go many places they ask them where they get that money. Farmers they say no. But somebody tell me say like say many of them do waste am. Now make I go ask. Who waste am people? Una get the money? Una get the money? So governor wey go cheat im own people. Money wey suppose to give them, he collect am and put am for pocket. That kind government I wan continue. Una go vote for am again. But when we are saying public-private partnership, we mean really helping our people to succeed. Because if you succeed, Edo State will succeed. The other one na leadership by example. We want a governor that is sincere. Governor wey go make promise, he go bring am to pass. No be governor wey during election he go say I go do this, I go do that. Una go go, una no go see am. Governor wey get the fear of God. That's what I'm telling you, by the grace of God. I'm not a politician, I'm a pastor. I no go allow una or allow my behavior come make una say that you're a man of God. I will not disappoint you, I will not disappoint God. Everything wey I talk say I go do by the grace of God, I will do it. The last word for simple agenda na E, employment and empowerment. Our youth needs job. We must create our youth. Obameke promised 200,000 jobs. Youth dey for here. How many of una get the job? Youth dey for here. How many of una get that 200,000 job? So if nobody for who ways and qualify out of 200,000, why they go vote for am? But the truth be say e no employ anybody. Man wey no employ teachers, e no help farmers, e no take doctors, e no take nurses. Who e come employ? Nobody. But I assure you we will create jobs. And then our women, we want to empower our women. The reason we say we not say our women for Edo, they are very hardworking. If you give Edo woman 10,000, you go back in 2-3 months go meet am, that money don turn out to 30,000. So our women no be only rapper they want money take do business. Because if you support them, you are supporting their families. So Edo women, APC government wey dey come, they go support una well well. When we are saying empowerment, now we wan focus on well well, because we know say if that money reach una hand, una go use am well well. Women dey for here. Women dey for here. Women oh yeah. To be able to do all these things, make all of una vote for APC. PDP don't get wetin they do. Eki na APC bring am, but because he failed, they no gree again. PDP wey carry am now, they know why they carry am. We carry am again. Una we carry am again. So please, the number wey dey here is small compared to the number wey no dey here. More na go talk them to for house. Those wey no come, say make we tell ourselves the truth. Obaseki no do anything. He no fit continue. You get the kind of fail wey you go fail, they go withdraw you. And those things not go allow repeat. They go withdraw to go for school. So if una know say go vote APC, make I see una hand for up. And God go bless you now. So now make I give microphone to Osho Quick, Osho Spiritual, Osho Travel.
because you don't pass me. But what they want to meet you, I go. Thank you very much. Pastor me ask one question. He say whether I give you a work, everybody say no. Me, give me work. I won't confess. Because me, I be Catholic. I know he lie. He gave me work. What is the way? When we brought him, that is Obaseki, in 2016, him to say he worked, he built more roads like that, built more school like that red roof, bring more water, use the dado rings to do more boreholes. I will not get work now. I will just rest school because picky ways are big book. Your mama no need to born candle for night. But as he not perform, he got to even cheat from you people. Now to remove him, I have to come back to work. The work where he give me is to work with you to move her. That's why I say he gave me work. Because if he perform, I know go come they say product wait fine. They know they advertise them too much. For my people, they say if you get daughter away fine, you don't need to ring bell, say picky day house. People will come there. Where sweet day, flies must come there. But when a man no perform, because I participate in campaigning for him, I must participate in removing him. That is the only way you can forgive me for supporting someone who turned out to be a deceit. He was pretending when we were working together. All the roads between the nation, the red roof.
I acknowledge you, Ibrahim.
He was like my motor boy.
So I think he should be able to see the podium now.
Become a man who cheats even the poor. You know, I don't know how you understand it. When a governor, not a private company, ask poor people to fill form, they spend money to do the form. Say they go bring the agri loan. And he goes in here and collect 5.4 billion. He put for pocket. That one alone, even if you forgive her, God will forgive her. Because this one, he not thief am, say hungry. He thief am by habit. No, the thief say hungry. If you want, who thief by habit, by greed is another thing. You see television say they do a dope best. If they even collect award, yet he not say from the heart. The schools have no teachers. Even they threaten the teacher, then they come and endorse him. You know endorse him, they go sack the chief teacher away there. So this matter, I think Pastor has explained to you. He has a simple agenda. He has been consistent everywhere he goes in preaching. To support him, forgive me for supporting Obaseki, but he named Nigeria. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of you? Not be like Lagos, because he said they don't act like Lagos. Meanwhile, we want the town to be better than Lagos. So he go Cotonou. Gio, go Cotonou. Gio, go Cotonou. Gio, go Cotonou. Gio, go.
That's it from here. Thank you. We hope to see you at the other end. But for now, we say bye.